Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show how to add the TubeBuddy extension in Google Chrome. If we are YouTubers or content creators looking to grow our channel, this tutorial is for us. Now, in Google Chrome, there are two ways to get started. We can click the extensions icon in the upper right corner, or we can click the three dots, go to Extensions, and then visit the Chrome Web Store. Both ways work just fine. Once we're in the Chrome Web Store, we just need to click on Extensions and type TubeBuddy in the search bar. This is the TubeBuddy extension for YouTube, and it helps us grow our channel right from Google Chrome. When we find it, we simply click Add to Chrome and confirm to add the extension. We just need to wait a moment for it to load. And there we go. The TubeBuddy extension is now installed. If we want to pin this extension, we can do that too. We can pin it directly to our Google Chrome browser, so it's always easy to find. Now we can sign in and accept the agreement to start using TubeBuddy in Google Chrome. With TubeBuddy, we get access to powerful YouTube tools like keyword research, SEO optimization, and video analytics. It walks us through finding the extension, installing it, and getting it set up. And that's it. Now we know how to add the TubeBuddy extension in Google Chrome.